Hi, Jamie Hartland here from Standen Marine. The Buizen name needs no introduction for those who share a love of sailing, and today I'm aboard a very special Buizen 48 Pilothouse. This is a world cruising yacht. In fact, it's build number 4 and it's had the same owner enjoy it since new. The sun is out, the wind is up, let's set sail on Foxy Lady. It's the perfect yacht to go where you want to go. I really love the craftsmanship of this yacht, and I can understand why Buizen claimed that it takes 10,000 hours to build one. This Buizen 48 Pilothouse is up to now standard. Whether you're wanting to sail locally or take her around the world, it has a new engine in it, it has everything set up ready to go. No expense has ever been spared on this boat. If you'd like to have a look, give me a call, shoot me an email, and I can arrange to take you through at a time.